Hello friends! Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can add a subscribe button to your Facebook page. Well, don't forget, dear friends, please put your likes and also write comments and subscribe to our channel. And let us get down to this topic. First of all, please open the Facebook app on your device. Next, go to the menu section at the bottom. Next, you will need to switch from your account to your page. When you switch to your page, now at the top go to your page account. Scroll down a little bit and please click on the three dots here. If you don't have a subscribe button, for whatever reason, on your Facebook page, then there's only one option to remedy this situation. So, in the page settings, select the option to add a button. And now you will need to take your phone and shake it. When you shake it, you will see an option like this appear on the screen of your phone. This is an option through which you can contact the support team to report your problem. So tap on the Report a Problem section. Go on. And here in the line you will see what your problem is. For example, what you are missing, the subscribe button, and what you would like to solve this problem. Let Facebook add such a button for you. And then click Ready and submit your request. And I think in a very short time, Facebook application will contact you and solve your problem. If the problem is not solved, then you will still definitely be contacted, for example through your email, where they will tell you what you can do to add a subscribe button to your page. This is the way, friends, you can solve the problem if you don't have a subscribe button on your Facebook page. I really hope this video, friends, has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us likes and write comments. Bye, friends.